And hello, yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to play the level 3. The level 3 of the Willie bed episode 3, 2, 2, 1. Oh, I want to pass 9,496 and thanks for subscribing me, the who subscribed my channel. And now I'm going to play and I like this. Tomorrow I will play another new game. It's like the Pac-Man. And after that, and I'm going to play that. That is, I'm going to. Oh no! Oh shoot, guys! Oh no! Yay! Oh, I missed that! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh boy! Oh shoot, guys! Oh shoot! And I will pass it. I wish I can pass that level, or else I need to stop the video. Yes. Then so subscribe to me. Oh, that's the level. Oh, I win it. Oh, 10,000. Whoa, I'm taking 100 score. No, I didn't take it 100 score. Yes. Oh boy, I passed 100. Oh no. Oh, this phone is slow. That's easy. Then, but it's slow for the game. That's easy and yeah. Oh, how much score can I take? Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh. And thanks much for watching this video. I did.